Leia muesli. Boop, 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 boop. Leia. Yes, good girl.
Hi. Hello, Jutta family.
Huh?
Leia doesn't get to go out very often. Veda misses her a lot, and he can't wait to have her back in the enclosure. He's very protective. But as a result, she explores so intently that she doesn't care about the bird that has just gone in the water. She's too busy sniffing, exploring. Yeah, spotted, but still too busy looking around. She's a beautiful young girl, available to adopt. Thank you for your support.